Activating your TNT SIM card is quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps to get your phone connected and ready to use. Step 1. Insert your TNT SIM card. Before you can activate your TNT SIM card, make sure it's properly inserted into your mobile device. Turn off your phone. Insert the TNT SIM card into the SIM slot. Make sure it's placed correctly. Turn your phone back on. Step 2. Turn on your mobile data. Once your phone is on, activate mobile data to start the activation process. Go to your phone's settings. Look for the mobile data option and switch it on. Step 3. Send the activation code. To activate your TNT SIM card, you'll need to send a special activation message. Open your phone's messaging app. Create a new message with the following content. Activate. Send the message to 3838. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After sending the message, you will receive a confirmation SMS from TNT. This confirms that your SIM card has been successfully activated. The activation usually takes just a few minutes. If you don't receive a confirmation, try sending the activation code again or restart your phone. Step 5. Enjoy your TNT services. Once you've received the confirmation, your TNT SIM card is now activated. You can now enjoy all the services provided by TNT, including calls, text messages, and data. Additional tips: make sure you have sufficient credit or load on your TNT SIM card. If you face any issues during activation, you can contact TNT customer support for assistance. Now you're all set to enjoy a seamless mobile experience with TNT. Don't forget to check out our other helpful guides to make the most of your TNT SIM card. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.